At Bespoke Fence, we know you want to provide a home where you could create lasting memories together. In order to do that, you need a fence that not only complements your home, but will help create a safe and enjoyable space for your loved ones. The problem is you can't enjoy your yard because you have privacy concerns and your kids and pets keep running out of the yard, which makes you feel anxious because you constantly worry about their safety. We understand how frustrating this could be, which is why at Bespoke Fence, we install over 900 custom fences and gates per year in the Chicagoland area. That not only creates a safe place for your family, but complements the investment you made in your home. I'm Dan Pappas, the owner of Bespoke Fence, and we believe every family deserves to have a yard that keeps their loved ones safe and that they can enjoy with their friends and family. How could you get started? First, click on the Get an Estimate button and fill out the form. This gives us an idea of which type of fence you are looking for and how we could serve you best. Second, someone on our team will reach out to schedule a meeting. In our meeting, we will take measurements of your yard and answer any questions you have about fence material and design. Once we have all the details, we will send you an estimate. Third, we will get to work designing and installing your new custom fence, so you and your family can enjoy the yard the way it was meant to be, making memories with your family and friends. So fill out the free estimate form so you could stop stressing over the safety of your loved ones and instead have a yard where you can relax, children can play, and lasting memories are made.